Is GrooveFunnels better than ClickFunnels? That's what we're diving into today in this video right now. And as you can see, I'm outside. It's a beautiful scenery behind me looking down to the river, but it also means that my camera and my face is super white right now, and super bright. But let's dive into the important stuff here, which is online marketing. It's why we're all here. I absolutely love that I can be actually working from outside at my friend's house. My van is just down there, parked by the side of the house. It's a beautiful sunny day. This is why we're all in online marketing, right? And this is why I'm here to help you make more money faster and save you on some expenses, because if we're always running a whole bunch of different software programs to run our business, which we absolutely need, it can become quite costly. And I know a lot of people paying over $1,000 a month for their tools, which is why I want to dive into GrooveFunnels, because within a couple of months, you won't have to ever do that again. And it's going to be very exciting. Not only that, but the people, Mike Filsame, one of the co-founders behind GrooveFunnels, he also was the one who founded Kartra. He's also the one who founded EverWebinar, right? So two major platforms in this online marketing space. So my suspicion right now is that GrooveFunnels is absolutely going to be better than Kartra in so many ways, and they actually have a webinar software coming out within GrooveFunnels that I imagine will be better than EverWebinar. However, that's just my opinion. I might be sort of shooting for the stars there a little bit. So we'll see what happens over the coming months. But why I wanted to dive into GrooveFunnels today is to give you a complete rundown of the pros and the cons of GrooveFunnels. A quick little comparison to ClickFunnels. I've built a number of funnels on ClickFunnels, some of them making, all of them together making millions of dollars for the company that I was working for at the time. And I will tell you a little bit, I'll compare how ClickFunnels was 4 years into operation compared to how GroovePages is right now. And then I'll tell you a little bit about the lifetime deal that GrooveFunnels has right now, which makes it a complete no-brainer, which is why so many people are upgrading right now, because instead of paying $1,000 a month in a couple of months' time, you won't even have to pay any monthly fees whatsoever, which is super cool. And then I'll show you how you can get $37,000 worth of bonuses if you sign up through my affiliate link. If you just want to dive into all of those things, there'll be links in the description. But if not, let's dive into this screen right now. So right now you can see we're in the dashboard of GrooveFunnels, and on the left here has all of their main software. So GroovePages is your equivalent to ClickFunnels. GrooveSell is the checkout cart. Groove Affiliate is their affiliate marketing management software. Groove Mail is to come, but that is their automation emailing system. Groove Member is your equivalent to your Kajabi or your Teachable, which is to come as well very soon. And Groove Video is where you can host your videos. So these three at the bottom here are all coming in the coming weeks. So I'll definitely have more reviews coming out about them soon. For now, we're just going to focus on GroovePages in this particular video. And then in the coming months, I'm also going to have Groove Blog, Groove Webinars, Groove Desk, which is your help desk, Groove Calendar, and Groove Survey. So you can create quizzes and surveys and link that through to your funnels and your automation and your CRM and so forth. So pretty exciting stuff, right? And let's just have a quick look at ClickFunnels first. So you're looking at least $97 a month to start with ClickFunnels. If not $297 a month if you are building out quite a substantial business with unlimited funnels and pages and so forth. So can be quite expensive, if you're talking for every year, we're talking $1,200 a month, $1,300 a month, or whatever it is, $1,200 a month, a year, $1,200 a year. You can pretty much pay that right now to get GrooveFunnels for the entire lifetime. So after a year, it's going to pay for itself. Plus you get a whole bunch of other softwares. Some of the things that I like about ClickFunnels is it's super easy and quick to get building funnels. They also have pre-built funnels, so you can just jump in there and change some of them. The things that I didn't like about ClickFunnels, and I haven't used them for about 12 months now, but a little bit less, 9 months now, making changes with ClickFunnels, and you'll probably hear this everywhere, is a little bit buggy here and there, so that can be a bit of a challenge. Also, they're optimizing for mobile. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. A lot of people forget to optimize for mobile, even though that's where most of your traffic comes from. So yeah, there's a bit of a challenging. And then if you're just paying $97 or $300 a month for just one software program, which is just your funnel builder, then you've got to pay for your email marketing, then you've got to pay for your hosting, video hosting, and then you've got to pay for your member platform. That's how it can easily equal $600, $700, $800, $900 per month in just software, which means you've got no money to spend on advertising, which is the most important part. Where if we come to GrooveFunnels, for example, once you for now, you can sign up to your free account. You can get a free Groove Sell account, which means you can start selling your products online for free for life. Like, they're never going to charge you for that. It's equivalent to something like a Thrive card. I paid $700 for a Thrive card agency account, and within a month or two, it's actually going to be better than that particular software. But they also give you a limited version of the Groove pages as well, so you can start building out some funnels. And if you look on my YouTube channel, I've already been building out funnels for some of our members who are purchasing through my affiliate link, where we're actually building a funnel a week, which is pretty exciting. But once you do sign up, there's also an option to get a lifetime deal, which I've been talking about. So it gets all of these things for just $13.97 total. So for basically a little bit more than the price of ClickFunnels for the entire year, you can get a lifetime account to the entire GrooveFunnels suite. So that's all of their programs that they've got available right now, all of their software is available right now, plus all of the ones to come that they mention on this page right here, which is everything that they've got in the pipeline so far, right? So pretty exciting stuff. So let's dive into just a quick little demo of Groove Pages itself, which is basically ClickFunnels, but better. Really, it's already better. Groove Pages is already better than ClickFunnels, and they're still in their beta stage. ClickFunnels was super buggy for at least the first 3 to 4 years of their of being in business, whereas these guys haven't really officially launched yet, and it's already better than what they've been doing. So as you can see, we've been building out a bunch of funnels, but let me just dive into just a test funnel here for a moment, and I'll show you one thing I don't like. There's only one thing that I found that I don't like with Groove Pages, but I believe they're going to be getting that fixed very soon, and that is trying to center buttons and things like that. So if I just click on that button and come into layout, there's nowhere to really center it. Come into spacing, there's nowhere to really center it. Come into sizing, you can sort of play around with this, but it's super buggy when you try and do it this way. So in order to get that button centered, then you actually have to come into your Elements tab here, and then go to your container, put that container in, and then put the button into the container. And then once you've got a container in there, you come into layout, and then all of a sudden it's a little bit different. So if we just click on horizontal and then click that, then that's going to center the button. And we can click on vertical as well, whatever we want to do there. But that is the only thing that I don't like. However, from what I can see in the roadmap, they've got some fixes coming around to make that much better. But anything besides that, that is really the only buggy thing and the only thing that doesn't make sense within this builder. Everything else is super cool and easy to use. So starting with the blocks, like they've already got pre-designed blocks for pretty much any part of your website that you want to create. So if I just open that up now, we can put in a header tab up here. It just drags it in there like that. You can change your text. Super easy, right? Then we come in and we just open this up again. All blocks, you've got countdown blocks in there. You've got different buttons in there, so you can have 2 different choices. You've got more content blocks. We've got above the fold type of content blocks here. You've got feature blocks. You've got your opt-in blocks, and you've got your testimonial blocks. So literally everything that they mention right through here, it's all there ready to go, right? So really cool. These are all design ones, or you can just add in your own wireframe type ones and then add your own design to that, which also makes it super easy. Then if we come into the elements now, so if we go to, we've got basically everything that we need in here as well. So what I like about the elements section is that it's comprehensive, right? Which is important when you're building a funnel. So they've got pretty much everything that you need. The only things that differences that ClickFunnels have, they have the when it comes to like creating lists, so like title and paragraph, icon, title and paragraph, they've got some specifically branded ClickFunnels ones which are actually pretty cool. So I think they call it the Brunson box in ClickFunnels. So they've got some specific elements for that, which makes it really good for like bridge pages and stuff like that. Because GrooveFunnels haven't branded themselves in that way, then they don't have them just yet, but they're still just as easy to create. In fact, I already created one just recently. Let's see if I can pull that up. I'm not sure if I can. Might not be on this page. No, it's on a different page, but I still just recreated it using the elements that are on this page here right now. Now, eventually it's also going to integrate with all of your major integrations as well. So ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, GoToWebinar, GrooveSell. But the Zapier connection right now is also in beta, so you can't actually integrate these to anything just yet. So GrooveFunnels is going to be amazing, but there's a time period to wait because it's all still getting developed, right? Which is the reason why they have their lifetime deal right now for such an amazing price. And it's the reason why I purchased, right? As soon as I saw this, within a day I purchased, because I saw the value that this is going to have in 1, 3, 6 months time. So you're sort of playing a waiting game right now to lock in your lifetime deal so that you can have all of these features and more when it actually comes out. Now, that's all of the elements. Coming down to this next section here, which is the pages. So as you add more pages into your funnel, they're all going to show there. If you've got them in the primary navigation and you put a header with a menu, then that's what's going to show. Or you can have other parts of your funnel within the hidden pages, so like your thank you pages and your privacy policies and things like that, and then they're not going to show in the menu. And then this next tab here, you've got your pop-up. So you can add your pop-ups in here. You can have them as a standard so that it activates when they press a button, or you can have an entry pop and you can have an exit pop as well. You can also choose on what pages that they're going to show, which is super cool, right? So that's pretty much it so far. Now it makes it, they've got all of the training and stuff that you're going to need. And if we just exit back out into sort of this section here, the only thing that I really want them to create here is some better filtering options. So at the moment you can filter them by pages, creation date, last updated. It'd be good to group them together into certain either websites or funnels or types of funnels or things like that. That's something that ClickFunnels do really well. Something that they haven't got to here just yet in GrooveFunnels, but I'm sure they will. But overall, I see a lot of potential with GrooveFunnels itself, mainly for the fact that all of these particular tools are going to sync in with each other nice and easily. It's one of my biggest pet peeves when it comes to online marketing is trying to make all the tools work together, and you got to use Zapier to tape them all together in ways that makes it just difficult and takes ages. So that's what I'm really excited for about this. So if you are interested in more details about my bonuses, there'll be a link down in the description below, but I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Was this valuable? And if it was, then hit subscribe. There'll be plenty more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.